Wrenching Boys YouTube channel. What's up, guys? So today's video is not about the short box. It's actually about the girlfriend's square body. I just put a transmission in it. It had the 4L60E in it. The other trans that was in it was passed around a few times, so it's had its fair share of beating on and just age and stuff. So I put another 4L60 that was out of my short box, which I did get running, so stay tuned for more videos on that coming up. But put a new trans in it. New trans in the square. Gotta get an intake for it still. And gotta clean up some stuff. Plan on doing a bunch of work to this truck, but I'm surprising the girlfriend for her birthday. This truck has been broken down since last summer as the trans went out on her on the way to work. It happened twice in a row. And after the second time happened, I told her just to park it. So we've been waiting to find a decent trans and the time to do it. So hopefully this is a nice birthday surprise for her. I hope she likes it. It didn't take too long to do the trans, just a couple of days getting off of work. So I probably got maybe 8 hours into doing a trans swap. Maybe not even that, but I hope she likes it. Square's gonna need some love in here, but that's all on a ways away. She plans on doing motor work before body work, so there's that. Don't have the map plugged in right now, so let's see if I might have to 2-footer. Starting right up. Blazer floor shifter. So gotta get these gauges hooked up, her oil pressure and her temp sensors. Need to get that hooked up. Shouldn't be too hard. Wired and hooked up. I really should have got some glow shift gauges. They would have looked better in here, but kind of fits this factory-ish look. But this is a square that we did. This is a square that we did in 3 days, over a weekend-ish, Friday through Sunday, because of her truck got rear-ended. So threw this together. ELS square body swap. Got the Tejas motor mounts in there, so the motor shifts forward more to allow factory AC. Well, there was a little update for projects that we got working on, so you'll probably see more of the square and my turbo, well, not turbo truck, but not yet at least, short box. So stay tuned, guys, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. We're almost at 200 subscribers. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and see you next time.